Hello and welcome to our tutorial series. On this video you will learn how to create, manage and share your own promotions using the venue management website. Once you are logged into your venue account, click on the promotions item on the left panel. To create your first promotion, you need to click on the big plus icon on the lower right corner of the screen. Here you can start customizing your promotion. In this case, let's make a discounted deal of a burger and a soft drink. First, you choose the image that you want for the deal. Then, name the promotion and enter a description. The number of deals for a particular promotion are based on the number of promotion credits available on your account. You can see the total number of credits you have on this field or on the left side right below your venue name. You can assign any number of credits to any number of active promotions within your total amount available. Remember, one promotion redeemed equals to 1 credit, and atlacarte does not take any commission fee on promotions. Unused credits are always returned to your account when a promotion ends or it's deleted. This way we guarantee you a return investment on each one of your promotions. In this case, let's assign 20 credits to this promotion. Now you can choose the start date and end date, as well as the starting and ending times. The next step is to choose the items for this promotion. They could be items from your menu by clicking on Open Menu, or one from scratch by clicking on Add Custom Item. Let's open the menu and pick our burger and soft drink from our promotion. Once you are done, simply click on Close Menu. On the right side, you can modify the number of items included in the promotion or simply delete the item. The original price will be reflected here. If you want to add a custom item, you can create it by filling the fields requested and clicking OK. Once you have the items selected, the system will show you the total price. As you can see, the discounted price is 0, so you need to choose what would be the promotion price. Let's go for a £10 deal. The system will automatically display the discount applied to the price. The field unique redemptions allow you to decide how many times a single user can redeem this promotion. For unlimited redeems, simply leave it blank. And the last step is to select in which type of features this promotion is available. In this case, we are choosing table ordering and pickup. Just click on Create Promotion and it's done. Once the promotion is created, it will automatically appear on atlacarte, and every user that is following your venue will receive a notification letting them know. By clicking on the notification, they will be able to purchase the promotion right away. You will be able to see and keep track of all your planned, active and expired promotions. You can see how many likes in the app the promotion has, number of orders, or how many credits have been redeemed. On the top right corner you have 3 options. The pencil icon lets you go back to edit the promotion and make any changes like extending the dates or adding more credits. The trash icon would delete the promotion. The arrow icon generates a link that you can copy and use on your social media platforms to let your customers redeem the promotion directly from it. To end this tutorial, keep in mind we always give free credits to all our new customers, and when you run out of credits, you can always purchase more. Just click on Credits on the left side panel. Here, you can buy credits using a credit card or apply any promo codes to add more credits to your account. And that's all. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, drop us a comment or contact us on atlacarte.com. Don't forget to keep an eye on our social media accounts for news and updates.